Let's see how my corner cut sander actually handles a corner. So I've been working on these corbels that I put together for my mudroom that we recently refinished. And I want to make sure these have a really smooth finish. So I did a brief earlier pass with a lower grit, and now I really just want to get it nice and smooth. So I'm using 240 grit. This actually works very smooth, you know, it doesn't vibrate too much, and you really can get into curves and corners pretty easily. It's not crazy loud. You know, I have lowered the volume for this video, but you know, it's not that loud. So it's about what you'd expect from a sander of this size. Gotta say, I do like this. When I first got it, it was a little bit bigger than I thought. I thought it was really gonna be a small one-hander. So let's see how we did. It's pretty smooth. I was really hoping for like a smaller size, like maybe that size total. I don't know why, I just had that in my head. So it definitely was bigger when I got it, but so far it has been really nice. Really does follow the curves nicely. Wasn't really much vibrating or any resistance. At the end of the day, it's a really nice corner sander. You might have a small one, like an attachment for a multi-tool. If you need something with a little more oomph that's going to cover a lot more area than one of the little multi-tool ones, this is a really good choice. Definitely check it out. Everything you see here, the links are in the description. Like and subscribe and leave a comment below. I love having a good conversation. Again, I am not sponsored by Ryobi. I just love buying Ryobi tools and making videos to show them off with you. Hey, it gives me an excuse to buy them, and maybe, just maybe, it'll give you an excuse to buy them too. See you later.